Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and here scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which are right now inactive. It is because we are using the automatic date, time and the time zone. So first of all, let's turn off both of those options, or actually 3 of them, or maybe 4, because thanks to this we will be able to customize everything. Let's start with the date. Just tap on it, and here from this calendar we can pick the date we want to use. Tap on OK. And the same situation with the time, just pick it from this clock. Tap on OK, and as you can see it will be immediately applied to the status bar. Here we have to tap on the time zone in order to change it. After tapping you will be transferred to this list of available time zones from which you can choose. So let me pick for example this one. As you can see it will be immediately applied. However, of course be aware that after changing the time zone the time will be affected by that and also can be changed. Here we've got the time format, and currently we are using 24-hour one, but of course if you want to use 12-hour, simply turn off this option and it will be applied. Alright, so this is the manual customization of the date and time. Of course you can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.